Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix LS-0013 error on Epic Games, and it can be on Fortnite, Rocket League or other game on Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and end all the tasks related to Epic Games and your game that you're trying to launch. So Epic Games and task. Let's say if you're trying to run Fortnite, search for Fortnite here and also end all the tasks related to games. Then you need to press Windows and I key or simply write run here. And then here you need to just write %localhost 2%. Click on that. Then here you need to look for Epic Games Launcher. Look for Epic Games Launcher. Then go to saved. Then you should see webcache 44130 folder. And then you just need to right click and delete it. If Epic Games is not closed, you cannot delete this folder, and don't worry, this is just the cache files. Then what you need to do here is to look for Epic Games, right click on it and run as admin here. And then you need to look if your game is running. If it's not running, then go to library, press on the three dots, then go to manage. Then you need to verify game files, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then what I suggest to do here is to go to File Explorer. Then you need to go to as you can see here, you need to go to Documents. Then you need to go to My Games. It's usually on My Games, but it may be different. And then you need to find that particular game. And then you just need to rename that folder. So for example, Rocket League, let's make it to Rocket League 1. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then I suggest you just delete the rename thing here and leave it as it is. But if rename is worked for you, then you can just play the game. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.